Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious, juicy and well grilled chicken. It's simple, it's packed with flavor, and I'll walk you through every step, okay? So let's get right into it. First things first, I have here one large chicken. We're going to start by giving it a good wash. Make sure you remove any feathers or hairs that are still hanging around, especially at the leg area. After washing, pat it dry properly. Drying the chicken helps the marinade to stick better, and it gives you that nice crispy skin later when grilling, okay? So don't skip this step. Once it's dry, set it aside and we'll butterfly it later. But before that, let's make our marinade. For the marinade, I'm using fresh herbs and vegetables to make it extra flavorful. I'm using parsley, basil, thyme, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic, carrots, red bell pepper, red onion, a little rosemary, and olive oil. But remember, you can have your own mixed match of herbs and seasoning. Now roughly chop everything and blend it all together, then add seasoning cubes, smoked paprika, some salt, and a little extra olive oil. Give it a good mix. You don't want it to be too watery. This is the perfect consistency we need for a thick, rich marinade. Now that our marinade is ready, let's get back to the chicken. We are going to butterfly it, so turn the chicken breast side down and use a sharp knife or kitchen scissors to cut through the backbone. Once it's cut, open it up and flatten it. It should literally look like a butterfly, just like this. Now this helps it to cook more evenly and faster in the oven. Now make some light incisions across the chicken. This helps the marinade really get into the meat and it will be flavorful with every bite. Rub the marinade generously all over it, front, back, inside the leg, inside the guts, everywhere. You want every inch to be coated. And next, place the chicken onto a baking tray or have a rack inside your tray. You just want it to be slightly elevated so the oil and juices can drip down, okay? Meanwhile, before you're doing all of this, make sure you preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And before putting the chicken in, I'm adding a full sprig of rosemary right at the corner of the chicken, right at the center of the chicken, so that to give it extra hit of flavor. Now, rosemary can be overpowering with the other ingredients, so I didn't blend a lot of it. I just want to add this here. Now, cover the tray with foil and transfer it into the preheated oven. And let's bake this. You have to bake it covered first, so the chicken will stay juicy. While the chicken is cooking, we're making a quick sauce with the leftover marinade. So heat a little oil in a pot, add the remaining marinade and let it simmer slowly. You want it to thicken into a nice rich sauce. You can use this sauce to serve it alongside the chicken. It's just so versatile and flavor, so use it as you wish. After 40 minutes, take the chicken out, remove the foil, and you will see all those delicious juice at the bottom. Pour some of that juice into your sauce because it will boost the flavor even more. Now put the chicken back into the oven, uncover this time, okay? This part is super important. It helps the skin to get crispy and golden brown. And let it cook for another 30 minutes until the skin is beautifully crisp. And here's the final look. Juicy, crispy, full of flavor. Just look at that beautiful chicken, perfectly grilled, full of herbs and spice. Now pair it with the sauce we made and serve it with your favorite slice and enjoy a meal that's absolutely worth the little extra effort. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, okay? And see you in my next video. Bye lovelies, take care, bye bye.